Welcome back. When reading files, a common problem is trying to open a file that doesn't exist, which immediately raises a file not found error. To write robust code, we need to check the status of a file on the disk before we try to open it. We use the built-in OS module for this. 1. The os.path module. To interact with the operating system's file system, we must import the OS module. We then access the path submodule, which provides several useful functions. The most crucial for this task is os.path.exists, which takes a file path or name and returns true or false. We can wrap our entire reading or writing logic inside an if block using this check. 2. Safe reading implementation. This demonstrates the correct pattern for safe file reading. We check if grades.txt exists first. If it does, and only then, we proceed to open it with the with statement in read mode. If it doesn't exist, we skip the open call entirely, preventing the file not found error and allowing the program to continue gracefully. 3. Checking for files versus directories. While os.path.exists is a general check, the os.path module also offers more specific checks. You may use os.path as file to ensure the path points to an actual file, not a directory, and os.path is dir to check specifically for a folder. Using the most specific check for your task is usually best practice. To summarize, always check before reading or modifying, especially in critical applications. We have focused on reading and writing simple text strings so far. Our next lecture 23.06. Pickle. See you there.